Well, good good afternoon to all. I'm Freddy Alejandro Garcia Rodriguez. I'm from Colombia, and I'm about to explain you my Halloween card that I made in Android Studio. Um, First of all, I like to apologize for my English. It's kind of basic, but I try to explain the code the best way possible. Here is the code that I use. Here's the preview of the card. I use a relative layout and a linear layout uh, into the relative layout. So I use two view groups. In the relative layout, we have an image view that is the Joker from Batman, and I also use a text view. Was you serious? And in the top of the screen, I use that test. Bueno, here are the all the properties that I used. I and a special one, well, the dimensions that I use, and width and height in match parent, so the image can fill all the screen, and center and cropped was the best property that I used to um, adapt the image to the for all the screen. Text view was serious. I used a casual font family, so this the letters on the font family looks like uh, is handwritten, and also I use textile bold, so the font can be more solid and wider. Also, I use a text size of 38 escalable pixels and a red color for the same one. Well, that is the ubication from from the text from the text view. Center horizontal of the layout. Well, later after I used a linear layout to set the components on the bottom of the screen. The two views that I used in the linear layout was a text view and an image view. Text view from Smile, it's Halloween, and image view, a Batman that is smiling. I thought this was clever, so was funny, and that's why I made it that way. The linear layout, well, the orientation from the linear layout is horizontal, and the wrap content is going to adapt the content of the text view and the image view is going to the layout. The entire layout is going to adapt to the text view and image view width and height. Um, well, in general, I don't want to explain all the properties because the course is um trying to explain that. I mean, I think we all know that the concept, but in general, I use a linear layout to set the components in an horizontal orientation, and well, I set and I use the weight of the two views uh, because I wanted to every view each view fill the same space proportionally. I don't know if you understand me, but that's the idea. Well, That's in general all. In the forum, I will publish the um, the screen of on my phone and the the card and pre-draw. So thanks for the attention and good luck with the course.